Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Tune-up report today is on the Galaxy DX-98VHP. This radio belongs to Edward in Missouri. He asked me to put a recorder on here. We got that right here. CP1's on the inside, and also a receiver improvement mod on the inside. Alright, let's check out the power here. Turn the power all the way down. We'll put it in AM and such. Okay, 10 watts on the top scale, all the way down to 6. Now 100 watts is on the top scale. We'll turn it all the way up, and all the way up is 60. Got a 500 watt slug here, so take a look at the middle there. Straight up in the middle is 200 watts. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 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 audio. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Alright. And we'll take it over to the side behind a moment. Turn that down. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check. Alright. That takes care of that. We'll put it on the air a moment. Let me play my recording.
Hey man, shoot, I thought she was on the east side, man. I didn't know you said.
Sorry for the
Yeah, well, for sure you got the finger chasing around, man.
How about a 19? Can I get a radio check breaker?
It's working.
I appreciate it, driver. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.